Today we are going to do chapter number 6, Stars with Fuzzy Tails. On a cold winter afternoon, Rohan and his father were traveling to Sariska, a small wildlife sanctuary near Alwar in Rajasthan. They were traveling to Sariska, but they were not going to wildlife sanctuary. Where they were going? They had left Delhi at 3 o'clock in the afternoon and hoped to cover 175 kilometers in 5 hours. However, they were not going to Sariska to see wild animals. As I have said earlier, for what they were going? Armed with their star charts and a good telescope, they had set out to look more closely at the Great Bear, a constellation. कॉन्स्टलेशन होते हैं ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स होते हैं जो डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स बनाते हैं. उनमें से एक पैटर्न होता है ग्रेट बियर. तो वो चेक करने गए थे इन अ मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी. सो ये देखिए यहाँ पे चाहिए क्या है? टेलीस्कोप. सो आपके बुक्स में दे रखा है. यहाँ पीछे देखिए डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स. ये देखो केन्स, कैनस मेजर, एक्विला. तो ये सारे पैटर्न्स होते हैं. ठीक है. तो ये पैटर्न्स देखने के लिए, कौन सा वाला पैटर्न देखने के लिए? ग्रेट बियर का पैटर्न देखने के लिए वो जा रहे थे. दे रीच्ड द डिमली लिट टूरिस्ट बंगलो which was located just outside the sanctuary. This was good because it meant little or no artificial lighting would spoil the view of the night view sky. उन्होंने ऐसा होटल चुना जहाँ पर हल्की बहुत ही डिम लाइट हो और वहाँ से बिल्कुल कोई भी आर्टिफिशियल लाइट ना है, बल्ब किसी की लाइट ना है, सिर्फ आसमान की, सिर्फ मून की रोशनी और चांद दिख रहे हो. ऐसा व्यू होने चाहिए था. सो रोहन सेट अप अ टेलीस्कोप और उसने फोकस कर दिया. 5 minutes later, what he saw, gazing through the telescope, he gave an exciting cry. Dad, look at it! Oh, it's gone! His father also saw it and said, You have just seen a comet, Rohan. Oh yes, I remember reading something about it in Science magazine. Tell me more about comet. तो अब हम कॉमेट के बारे में जानेंगे. ठीक है, कॉमेट होता क्या है? वेल, अ कॉमेट समटाइम्स लुक्स लाइक अ स्टार विद अ टेल. यहाँ देखो रोशनी है और पीछे से उसकी पूंछ भी निकली हुई है. हाउ कॉमेट इज़ नॉट अ स्टार. जैसे मून किससे शाइन करता है? सन की रोशनी से. सो कॉमेट के पास भी उसकी लाइट नहीं है मून की तरह. अ कॉमेट शाइन फ्रॉम दी सनलाइट बाउंसिंग ऑन इट. उसके ऊपर से जब रोशनी बाउंस मीन्स ऐसे आके जाना, तो वो बाउंसिंग होती है. सो लाइक इन अर्थ अ कॉमेट गोज अराउंड दी सन. आपको पता है ना, सन और 9 प्लैनेट्स बनाए हैं कभी. अभी यहाँ पर छोटा सा पिक्चर है बस. यहाँ देखिए डिफरेंट सोलर सिस्टम्स दिखा रखे हैं. सन होता है और सन के चारों ओर ये सब घूमते हैं. सो इफ अ कॉमेट इजंट अ स्टार, व्हाट इट इज? रोहन ने पूछा, अगर स्टार नहीं है तो बताओ वो क्या है. तो सम साइंटिस्ट थिंक दैट अ लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ कॉमेट इज वाटर फ्रोजन into slitty ice and mixed with bits of iron and rock dust and perhaps few big chunks of rocks. मतलब चमकीला सा एक पत्थर सा होगा, उसमें ये सब एड्स दिखाया. When sunshine melts in the ice of the comet, great clouds of gas go streaming behind it. These clouds together with the dust and big light fuzzy looking tail. So most people have never seen a comet. No one knows how many comets there are. So there may be billions of comets, but only a few come too close through enough to see them. Even then, it is not often that comet comes close enough to be seen without a telescope. Without a telescope, we can't see the comet. Rohan was ready with its next question. So, who saw the first comet to be able to write anything about it? Who saw it? It was a man named Edmund Halley, who lived in the 17th century. ठीक है, एडमंड हेली है, वो 17th सेंचुरी में थे, उन्होंने डिस्कवर करा था. Some comets move out of our sight and never come back. Other keeps coming at regular intervals. A big bright comet that keep coming back was named after Halley because he was the one who correctly calculated when would return. उन्होंने ही बताया था कि कब वो कॉमेट वापस आएगा. The last time Halley comet came near the sun and the earth in 1986. 1986 में आया था. तो अब कब आएगा? बिफोर कब आया था? 1910 में. तो अब कितने साल बाद ईयर फाइंड आउट करो कि वो हेलीज कॉमेट आएगा. 1986, 1910 और 1986 में कितना डिफरेंस है? So even grandparents were born long before I or even your grandparents were born. Both times people all over the world stood outside at night to see it. Next time it comes near the earth, it will be year 2061. How old will you be then? सोचो कितने साल के होगे आप. Rohan laughed at the thought and said, "That will allow me so much more time to learn about the stars. I want to be an astronomer." Excellent, Rohan. In fact, in late 2011, scientists discovered another solar system with the 2 suns and about as many planets as our system. They have also discovered that Mars has 100 times more water than what was earlier believed. The universe is infinite. There is a lot more waiting to be discovered. So science kabhi ruk nahi sakta. There are many things every time. Many scientists are discovering each and every single day. So you can be also a scientist, astronomer, anyone can be. So this was the chapter. Word meaning you have to write down in your notebook. This time you will draw a diagram also. Whichever is your favorite constellation you can draw it, or a telescope you can draw, or a solar system you can draw in your notebook. Okay, and the exercise of the chapter, fill-ups and question answers I'll give you in the assignment sheet. Thank you and have a good day.